what we were trying to do was construct a facility that would allow for openness, communications, and almost engineering campus environment.
From the Workspace Solutions files, Northrop Grumman Electronic Systems.
And Brent understood that right off the bat with me.
A lot of their business is generated by them coming up with unique ideas, and the more time they're able to spend working together on those ideas, the better the ideas come together.
Well, they mentioned they needed a lot of work surface because of their being engineers.
They wanted privacy, and yet they didn't want to feel boxed in.
Collaboration
area. They wanted a nice collaborative environment, nice collaboration areas where they could team together.
A lot of modular furniture arrangements are, again, the cave approach. They're not conducive for collaboration or inter-staff relationships.
We didn't want to give them a standard Dilbert type of cubicle. Each station really didn't have enough room for side chairs across from it, so we did some pedestals that have cushions on the top that were mobile, that they could wheel out and someone could have a seat right on the top of their drawer unit.
This room is a modeling and simulation lab and presentation room.
Their challenge to us when we approached this room was the wow factor, which made it kind of fun and challenging to really make a strong impression for their customer base.
Within that area, we were looking at trying to get a theater type environment, which would require a slanted floor. Well, the cost for that was really horrendous.
So we put in a series of tables that gradually tapered as they went farther out into the room, and allowed, as the chairs are lined up, so that no one person's blocking another person's view to the front. So it gives the same effect without near the expense that we would have had on a sloped floor.
It works very well for us. We're very happy with it.
You know, when we started this thing, it was interesting. We had to use a Baltimore supplier, and they basically put it on a truck, shipped it out here, and it was up to us to get it installed. And it was costly, you know, because you paid the shipping and you paid the installation as well as for the product itself.
We buy at a large enough volume that we can match most pricing that we see on the market.
You know, with Brent, we found we could get the same product for a lower cost and better support. Brent really worked with us. You know, that's what impressed me. You know, he made an investment in us before we ever made an investment in him. We went through a lot of iterations, and he's got some tools and what have you that were impressive. He came up with some three-dimensional renderings and what have you that really gave you a sense of what you were getting into. You know, it was a creative process, and the product is something everybody's bought into and everybody's very happy with.
It's exciting to see the product being installed on site and actually seeing everything come together that you started out as a 2D or a 3D drawing on paper.
Everybody that's walked into it and used the facility has been very impressed.
We get compliments on this all the time.
I think the furniture and the base furniture and the concepts are not new. I think the way we put them together is new to a modular furniture perspective in this area.
What we proved once again in this project is you really can combine a stylish office environment, a functional work area, and do it all within budget.
We do anything in Pittsburgh, we do anything here in Fort Wayne. Yeah. Workspace Solutions is probably the person who we'll go to. I know it is. He's our chosen one.